One night he went off a little crazier than usual. So Mommy grabbed a kitchen knife to defend herself. He was not happy about that. Shit. Really? Mommy grabbed a kitchen knife to defend herself. And God damn it! Can't remember the fucking lines. Shit! I'm gonna do this. Mommy grabbed a kitchen knife to defend herself. And God, I still blank out. Fuck this. Ah! Do you know how I got these scars? Fuck. With me watching. God. Listen. God damn it! Can't remember. He did not like that. Not one bit. Shit! God damn it. Why so serious? So he put the blade in my mouth. God, why can't I do this in one take? I don't know. I'll be here all night. Let's put the knife away before somebody gets seriously hurt. Fuck. And he said, let's put a smile on that face. That's probably a take. Let's do that. Put the knife